How to combine videos for TikTok. Do you like creating interesting videos for TikTok? Here's a tutorial on how to combine 2 or more videos and create a unique post. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app. Then press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to import content from your phone. Next, press the upload icon. Before selecting the videos you want to add, make sure the Select Multiple option is checked. If it's not, check it so you can add multiple videos. After that, select the videos you want to combine. I will select 2. Of course, you can select more if you want. Let's continue with next. The videos are now combined. If you want, you can edit them further. For better visibility, I will narrow the video track. If you want, you can change the order of the videos by long pressing on a video and moving it wherever you want. I will change the background audio. Press the audio track and then the Replace Sound button. Choose one of the songs and press the Use button. And that's all I wanted to change. When you finish editing, press the Next button. Share the post as usual by clicking Post. After a few seconds, your video will be posted on your profile. And this is how it looks in the end. I really like it. If you liked this tutorial, like it and comment to share your thoughts. For more digital tips, check out our channel and subscribe.